Good morning, kids. How you all are doing? कैसे हैं हमारे छोटे छोटे प्यारे बच्चे? I hope you all are doing well, right, friends? So as I keep on telling you repeated things again and again, that to stay safe, please follow some important instructions. Use mask when you're going to a crowded place, right? Second, regularly wash your hands with soap, right? Okay, and third, that you have to maintain social distancing. And I do believe that my students are so smart and intelligent that they are already religiously following all these precautions. Am I right? Yes, I know I am right. Okay, so students, I welcome you to another class of science. And today we are going to begin a new chapter, and that is chapter number 7, Getting to Know Plants. And just to tell you like that only, that it's one of my favorite chapters from the 6th standard book. Why? Because in this we are going to talk about plants, plants, and plants only. Yes, the major creatures which are responsible for our survival, right? So in today's class we will discuss about the introductory part for this chapter. So student, in your daily life you see a wide range of plants. Even when you come to the window of your room, of your house, and when you just peep out of the window and just see, then you see a variety of plants. Some plants are small, some are of medium height, some are very tall, like coconut tree, like eucalyptus tree, right? And then on the other side, we also see certain plants, right, which are very small. They simply creep on the ground, right? And another thing, that when you observe these plants, then in your surrounding only, I can bet that these plants which you see are not all of same kind. नहीं होता ना, आपके चारों तरफ सराउंडिंग्स में जो भी पेड़ पौधे हैं सब एक जैसे नहीं है ना, डिफरेंट, वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. Now how the difference lies? Say for example, some plants are bearing red color flower, and some are bearing pink color flower, and some are bearing white color flower, right? Similarly, you can see the difference in the shape and size of their leaves, in their heights, the color of the fruits they bear. Means wide variety of differences are there in the plants, the type of plants which we see in our surroundings, right? So before jumping to the main topic, just we'll discuss one important topic, and that is that why we are going to study about plants. इतने सारे इंटरेस्टिंग केमिकल रिएक्शंस वो सब चीजें छोड़ के मैडम आज आपको प्लांट्स क्यों पढ़ा रही है? Why it is important to study plants? It is because, children, these plants, they play a very, very important role in our lives. Not only we human beings, but in the life of other animals also. Whether you take a cow, buffalo, dog, cat, etc. Directly or indirectly, every living organism's life is affected by these beautiful creatures called plants. So let's see what they do for us actually. So here just first important thing is that they provide us food. They provide us with food. Yes, we obtain different cereals, spices, medicines, fruits, vegetables, and all these edibles we get from plants only. Just think how much we take from them. वो हमें ऑलमोस्ट खाने की सारी चीजें दे सकते हैं. Cereals, fruits, vegetables, all we get from plants only, right? So they provide us food, and this food is very, very important for we people to stay alive. हम सब कहते हैं ना कि बिना खाना खाए हम जिंदा नहीं रह सकते, तो हमें जिंदा कौन रख रहा है? प्लांट्स. दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग अस विद द फूड, राइट? Then another important thing which they provide us is oxygen. Oxygen. So students, oxygen basically is a kind of gas, and most of the gases in our surroundings, they are not visible to us. Gases एक वो substances हैं जो generally हमें आंखों से नहीं दिखती हैं, but some of the gases we can smell of because they have got either very pleasant odor or very foul smelling they are having. Okay, so these plants, they release a gas which is known as oxygen. So oxygen is a gas that is released by oxygen, and this oxygen is very important for us. हम कहते हैं ना कि हम ब्रीथ करते हैं, हम सांस लेते हैं, तो सांस लेने में ये ऑक्सीजन हमें हेल्प करती है. मीन्स व्हेन वी इनहेल, we are basically taking oxygen from air, and when that oxygen gets inside our body, it keep other parts of our body, other cells of our body alive, right? So without oxygen we cannot survive. So a person can survive without food, say for 2 to 3 or maximum 7 days also, but without oxygen a person cannot survive even for few minutes or if you go for hours also. और एक दिन तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, ऑक्सीजन के बिना हम सरवाइव बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते. एंड वी आर वेरी लकी that we are living on such a planet where trees are there, plants are there, and these plants are providing us with the oxygen, right? Another is that these plants, they maintain the soil fertility. Now we know that the plants are grown and they are cultivated in soil, okay? And from soil they take some important elements, some important minerals, and with that they grow, right? But students, in turn, these plants are only which maintain the soil fertile, which maintain the soil fertility. Means that is, हम कहते हैं कि मिट्टी को उपजाऊ बना के रखते हैं कौन? Plants. Okay, so if there are no plants, then what happens? Gradually a soil land, gradually a soil surface, it will become a desert. Yes, अगर आप सॉइल से प्लांट्स को रिमूव कर देंगे, धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, जो सॉइल जहां पर प्रेजेंट थी वहां पर धीरे धीरे आने वाले टाइम में डेजर्ट्स बन जाएंगे, रेगिस्तान बन जाएंगे, and we call this process as desertification, right? So say that plants, they maintain soil fertility and they also prevent soil erosion. Now soil erosion means when we talk about soil and we say that soil help in the growth of plants. So what happens? Only the topmost layer of the soil, it is very fertile to support the growth of the plant. So what happens? When we cut down the trees, when we remove the trees, then this top soil is very free. It becomes totally free and it moves away with blowing wind and fast flowing water. आपने सॉइल में से ट्रीज को काट दिया, अब सॉइल की जो टॉप लेयर थी वो फ्री है. फ्री का मतलब है पहले जो सॉइल पार्टिकल्स थे उनको ट्रीज की रूट्स ने पकड़ कर रखा था, राइट? आई एम टेलिंग यू इन हिंदी सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. पकड़ के रखा था, अब आपने ट्रीज को काट दिया तो सॉइल पार्टिकल्स फ्री हो गए, रूट्स नहीं है वहां पर उनको पकड़ के रखने के लिए. तो जब बहुत तेज हवा चलेगी या कहीं से बहुत फास्ट स्पीड के साथ वाटर फ्लो होगा तो ये जो टॉप सॉइल है ये सारा उसके साथ मूव कर जाएगा, राइट? एंड ग्रेजुअली द लैंड विल बिकम अ डेजर्ट, इट विल बिकम बैरन. बैरन मींस जिसको हम कहते हैं बंजर जमीन. ओके, सो दैट बैरन लैंड इट डोंट सपोर्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ प्लांट ग्रोथ. So basically again these are plants only which are keeping the soil fertility to its best extent and preventing the soil erosion, right? And another one is children that it is the plant, these are the plants only which provide home to a wide variety of wild animals. Yes, You might have heard about, you might talk about, you might have learned about variety of forests and jungles. And in these jungles, we know that a wide variety of wild animals are living: tiger, gorillas, okay, lion, different kind of apes, etc. छोटे से छोटा और बड़े से बड़ा जो वाइल्ड एनिमल है फाइनली कहाँ रहता है? फॉरेस्ट और जंगल के अंदर. फॉरेस्ट और जंगल के अंदर क्या है? छोटे बड़े पेड़ होते हैं, राइट? ओके, सो these 4 points are basically true because these are the major 4 important roles which trees or plants play in our life. But if you just go to the micro level, then the favors which we keep on taking from the plants just are unending. हम plant से इतना कुछ लेते हैं और रिटर्न में हम उन्हें कुछ भी नहीं देते. In fact, we simply harm them by cutting them, right? So just now it's high time that we should start protecting our trees because it is the basis of our survival, right? So that was the first one, that is I discussed with you why it's a need to study about plants, right? Now let's move on to another topic. So when you look in your surroundings, we find that different plants are growing. Means one single plant is very different from other plant. एक plant आप देखते हैं दूसरे plant से appearance में, देखने में ही बहुत अलग होता है, right? So what we have done to study these plants in a convenient way, we have divided these plants into categories, right? And these categories are made on the basis of first one, that is nature of stem. The first one is nature of stem, and the second one is branching. Yes. So we have classified all kind of plants into broader groups. And for classification, the criteria which we have taken is nature of stem and branching. मतलब जितने भी different type के plants हैं जो हमारे surrounding में grow करते हैं, हमने उन सारे plants को कुछ groups में divide किया. और किस basis पे divide किया? On the basis of nature of stem और on the basis of branching. Means उसमें कैसी branches है, कितनी branching है, branching है भी कि नहीं है, ये सारे factors को हमने ऑब्जर्व करके प्लांट्स के ग्रुप्स बनाए. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर दोस. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्लांट्स ग्रुप, सो वी हैव द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी दैट आर कॉल्ड हर्ब्स. ओके, देन सेकंड वन इज shrubs, and the third one is trees. Third one is trees, right? So the three major groups are herbs, shrubs, and trees, right? And on what basis we have framed these groups? Nature of a stem and the type of branching they are having, right? Okay. So here on screen I can see that you people are writing different things regarding roots and other things. So student, first I just like to request that since I had begun the chapter today itself, so whenever we will move on to the remaining part of the chapters, so all these topics will be clear. Second thing, don't kill your time simply just writing all those things which we have not covered yet. तो बेटर है आप यहाँ फोकस करेंगे तो आपका अच्छा रिवीजन होगा अगर आपने पहले ही पढ़ लिया है, राइट? ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज हर्ब्स. नाउ हर्ब्स आर दोस प्लांट्स व्हिच आर shorter in height. In general, we say that these are 1 to 3 feet in height. Yes, herbs are those plants which are very short. ये वो plants होते हैं जिनकी height काफी छोटी होती है, right? Generally, the height ranges between 1 to 3 feet. Okay. Another is that these plants, their stem is soft and green. Their stem is soft and green. Okay, soft and green. इनकी stem जो है पूरी green color की होती है और बहुत ही soft होती है. Means you can just break it with your hands, right? And in these plants, generally you will find very less branching. अगर branches है तो बहुत ही कम होती है, and in maximum of the cases generally the branching remain absent. The branching remain absent. Okay, so such plants are known to fall in the category of herbs. Okay, so for example, we just see the examples of the herbs. Then we have potato, tomato, okay, potato, tomato, all these are examples of herbs. And in fact, most of your weed plants, they fall in the category of herbs. Now it's rainy season going on, and when you come out of your house and see your surroundings, you find that many number of small plants are growing here and there. Okay, and these small plants are weeds only, about which we'll discuss in the later part. Okay, and these weeds, they belong to the category of herbs, right? इनमें generally branches नहीं होती है herbs में, stems soft और green होती है, और इनकी जो height है बहुत ही कम होती है, almost in the range of 1 to 3 feet only, right? Okay, so that is about herbs. Now next is shrubs. Okay, now these shrubs, they are of medium height. Yes, they are of medium height. Means we can say that their height is more than the herbs. तो जो shrubs होते हैं उनकी जो height है वो herbs के comparison ज़्यादा होती है. Means generally they range between the height of 5 to 10 feet. Yes, up to maximum 5 to 7 feet. Okay, means basically they are taller than the herbs. That is the point to say. Okay, another one is that they have got thick and woody stem. Yes, their stem is thick and woody. इनकी जो stem है वो herbs के comparison थोड़ी सी मोटी होती है और green नहीं होती है. It's not green, it is woody. Means it is made up of wood. लकड़ी हम सबने देखी कैसी होती है, brown color की, right? तो जो shrubs की stem है वो बिल्कुल वैसी ही दिखती है. So we say that the stem is thick and woody. Okay, and another part is that they have branching. In fact, they show extensive branching. बहुत सारी branching होती है. And interesting part is that branching, it always begin closer to ground. Closer to ground means, say for example, if we have drawn this particular plant and it is the roots, so branching, it starts directly from closer base of the stem. So that is stem. Here you can see. तो अगर हम ये देखिए हमारा सेंट्रल पार्ट स्टेम है, स्टेम पे ब्रांचेस आती है, तो इसमें जो ब्रांचिंग है वो जस्ट जो स्टेम का बेस है वहीं से ब्रांचिंग निकलना शुरू हो जाती है. यस, तो जो ब्रांचिंग है श्रब्स में वो ग्राउंड के बिल्कुल पास से शुरू होती है, बहुत ही एक्सटेंसिव ब्रांचिंग होती है. मींस इट इज क्वाइट मोर देन एज कंपेयर टू द हर्ब्स, as compared to the herbs, right? So that is for shrubs. The example of shrubs, You all must be having the holy plant in your houses, that is tulsi, which you also call it as basil. Okay, so tulsi is an example of shrub. Rose plant is an example of shrub. Plant of lemon, नींबू का जो पौधा होता है, जो पेड़ मीन्स प्लांट होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं shrub. That is shrub only. Even the plant of China rose flower, जिस पर China horseshoe flowers आते हैं, that plant is also in the category of the shrubs only. तो अगर आप उसको अच्छे से नोट करेंगे तो thick and woody stem है, height is even they are taller to your heights, आपकी खुद की height से ज्यादा होगी, and extensive branching which always begin closer to the ground, stem के base से ही शुरू हो जाती है. That is an important feature for shrubs, right? So that is about shrubs. Okay, now next is about trees. Yes, the next is about trees. Yes, now the third category is about trees. So trees are the tallest ones. Means when you compare herbs, shrubs and trees, then in comparison to height, the trees are the tallest one. Tallest means generally their height go beyond 10 feet. Maximum, that is minimum to 10 feet और उससे भी ऊपर होता है. जैसे जैसे ट्री और पुराना हो जाएगा, उसका 10 फीट से भी ऊपर हाइट होती चली जाती है. Right? So these are the tallest one. And the stem is known as trunks. Yes, we have given a special name to the stem of a tree because it is very thicker, it is very wider. और कुछ ट्रीज की तो स्टेम इतनी ज्यादा वाइड होती है कि आप उस ट्री को ऐसे हग करोगे तो आप अपने दोनों पाम्स को लॉक नहीं कर पाओगे. They are so wider, so thick, and that's why the stem of trees is known as a trunk. It is known as a trunk, right? So sometime in exam students we get a question that what do you mean by trunk in plants? So the stem of trees is known as that is trunk, right? So that is first one. Another thing that they also have extensive branching. They also have extensive branching, but the branching is higher above the ground. Yes, तो shrubs में भी बहुत extensive branching होती है और trees में भी होती है, लेकिन क्या difference है? Trees में जो branching है वो shrubs के comparison बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's very very large. And second one is that in case of shrubs, the branching it begin from the base of the stem, but in a tree, the branching begins from high up on the stem. Means tree का जो diagram draw करते हैं, for example, this is the trunk, right? And then here we start showing these branches, right? और ये आगे जाके और दो branches को बनाएंगे like that. Okay? So here then we get the leaves. ऐसे ही draw करते हैं ना? ऐसे ही draw करते हैं plants को. तो ये part है आपका branching का. This one is showing the branching. But here you can see the branching is quite far away from the ground. It is quite far away from the ground. So what's the difference? In case of shrubs, branching starts from the base of the stem. But in a tree, branching starts high above the ground. Right? तो जो आपका stem है, जो trunk है tree का, उससे बहुत ऊपर जाकर stem में branching शुरू होती है. Right? And in trees we have lots of examples: coconut tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, neem tree, mango tree, etc., etc. Lot of trees are there in our surroundings. Okay, so I hope now you can easily understand the differences between herbs, shrubs, and trees. And a student in exam, generally you won't get a straight question that what are herbs, what are shrubs. Sometimes you get a tricky question. Name those plants whose stems are soft and green. Name the plants whose stem is thick and woody. Name the plants which has got the widest stems, right? That are trees. Okay, so I hope I made clear the differences between herbs, shrubs, and trees. So on the basis of nature of a stem and the type of branching a particular plant is having, we can have the group of plants into three categories: herbs, shrubs, and trees. And yes, sometimes they will give you a picture in your question paper and you have to identify whether the plant is depicting a herb, shrub, or a tree. So at that time, just you have to verify the points, that stem is thin, or the plant is taller, or it is of medium height, like that. So you have to apply all these features to it. Okay. So that was about the categorization of the plants on the basis of nature of stem and branching, right? So students, in the same category, we have got two more kinds of plants. Yes, अभी तो हमने थ्री ग्रुप्स को पढ़ा, अभी दो और ग्रुप हैं जो हम प्लांट्स की कैटेगरी में ऐड करते हैं, राइट? एंड सो फर्स्ट वन इज that are called creepers. Yes, these are known as creepers. Okay. Now the word creeper, the term creepers, we have made from the English word creep. The word creepers we have made from the English word creep. Okay. Now the meaning of the word creep is to just crawl on the ground. To crawl on the ground. Okay. Say for example, that is a snake crawls. Okay. So that is known as a cockroach crawls. Okay. So that is the meaning of what it means. Those plants which cannot stand upright. So creepers, these are those plants which has weak and green stems. Yes. So there are certain plants whose stem is green only, but stem is extremely weak. The extremely weak means the plants, they cannot stand upright. Stem is so weak it cannot support the plant to stand up. Okay, so what happens? Such kind of plants, they creep on the ground like this. So they keep on growing on the ground. So there we have the trees like that. Okay, so that is an example of creeper. It grows on the ground. Okay, so for examples, in creepers, or we have got the plant that is pumpkin, then water guard. Okay, even the grass which we see in our surrounding, that grass is also an example of a creeper. Okay, so pumpkin, what is saying in Hindi? Kaddu. किसी दिन मम्मी अगर कद्दू खाने में बना ले तो सबके मुंह खुल जाते हैं. We don't like to eat. अच्छा आज आपने कद्दू बना दिया? I am not going to eat. ऐसे ही होता है ना? So that pumpkin is a creeper plant. Bottle gourd, लौकी, वो भी जनरली पसंद नहीं आता हमें खाने में. मम्मी अगर लौकी बनाएगी तो हम नहीं खाएंगे. It happens, no? So that bottle gourd, it also comes from creeper plant. Okay, then grass, which we see, which keep on growing in gardens, parks, here and there. That grass is also an example of a creeper, right? So these are those plants which creep on the ground. They cannot stand upright, right? Then another one is called climbers. Yes. The another one is called climbers. So Now again, you can take out the meaning from the term. Climbers, we have taken from the English word climb. हमने जो climbers term है किससे बनाई? From the English basic word climb, चढ़ना. Okay, so what happens like creepers? These plants also have weak stem. These plants also इनकी जो stem है वो भी creepers की तरह बहुत ही ज़्यादा कमजोर होती है. Means like other normal plants, these plants again cannot stand upright. So what happens? They climb. Means they climb up neighboring structures. They climb up neighboring structures. Means अगर कोई climber plant है, उसकी neighbor में कोई भी चीज है, कोई बड़ा plant है, या कोई window grill है, या आपने कोई rod लगा दी है, तो उस rod के चारों तरफ, उस window grill के चारों तरफ ये plant climb करके grow करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So these are climbers. You might have seen that especially that when we grow money plant. So generally when we grow money plant, we keep it near the window. क्योंकि window पे आपके grills होते हैं और grills पे वो money plant आपका curl करके, climb करके grow करता है, right? So basically money plant is an example of, yes, that is climber. Similarly, the grapevine. Then we have bitter gourd. Yes, money plant is a very best and common available example of a climber. हम सबके घरों में लगी होती है money plant. Okay. Then grapevine. We all like to eat grapes. अंगूर खाने में बहुत tasty लगता है. तो अंगूर जो grape का plant है, that is basically a climber. Yes. Okay. Similarly, that is bitter gourd. Karela. Okay, it's very good for us, but generally we don't like to eat it because of its bitter taste. Okay, so that bitter gourd is also a climber. It grows by climbing on the nearby structures. Right, students? So sometimes we get a question directly from these topics: what are creepers or what are climbers? So basically, creepers and climbers are those plants whose stem is very weak, and because of that weak stem, they cannot stand upright. And then you have to remember certain examples. Another thing, children, that although you can have a long list of examples for each category, but my suggestion is that whatever examples of each category is given in your NCERT book, please do remember at least those examples. आपकी NCERT की साइंस की बुक में इन सारे ग्रुप्स के लिए कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं. तो अगर आपको बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स लर्न नहीं हो रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. जो एग्जाम्पल्स आपकी साइंस NCERT में दिए हैं, उन एग्जाम्पल्स को आपको कम से कम याद रखना है. दे आर हार्डली 2 or 3. Right? Because sometimes directly for 1 to 2 marks, they give you a question in exam. Write 2 examples of herbs. Write 2 examples of creepers. Write 2 examples of climbers. Like that. Okay? And there you can write answer comfortably. Okay? So that is about creepers and climbers. So basically till now I discussed with you the group of plants like herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. So in all 5. Okay. Then there are certain plants as I told you in the beginning, and these plants we call as weeds. And I am sure that you have learned about weeds in your lower classes also. Yes, in 4th and 5th standard, you have studied about the plants called weeds. So first thing, that most of the weeds, they are herbs. Most of the weeds, जितने भी maximum type के weed plants होते हैं, तो maximum किस category में आते हैं? Weeds में. They fall down to the category of the weeds. Okay. Another is herbs. They are. Another is unwanted and they grow at their own. Yes, these plants are unwanted. Now, unwanted means that no one has sown the seeds for these plants. कोई इन plants के लिए seeds को नहीं डालता soil में, but they keep on growing at their own. ये अपने आप ही उग जाते हैं, right? And generally these weed plants, they are harmful when they grow along with the crop. Means when farmers are cultivating plants like wheat, paddy or other crop in a field, जब एक farmer है जो खेतों में वो plants को grow करता है food grow करने के लिए, और उस particular fields में जब ये weeds अपने आप grow कर जाते हैं, then that is harmful. Why? Because then they start sharing. Then these weed plants start sharing the space, the nutrients which they get from the soil, the water which they get from the soil, and also that is sunlight also. It means they start giving competition to the main crop. Okay, and practically it has been proved that the field where many weed plants grow along with the main crop, there the production of the main crop gradually decreases. जिन फील्ड्स में, जिन खेतों में मेन क्रॉप प्लांट के साथ वीट प्लांट्स बहुत सारे ग्रो करते हैं और उनको अगर हम रिमूव नहीं करते तो जो मेन क्रॉप है वो धीरे धीरे हमारा वीक पड़ जाता है, क्योंकि उसको इतना प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि उनका जो पूरा न्यूट्रिशन था वो कौन शेयर कर लेता है, वीट शेयर कर लेते हैं, राइट? That's why you might have seen that farmers, they keep on removing these unwanted plants from their fields. And children, some of the weed plants are harmful and poisonous also. Yes. So just advice from my side, don't try to touch every plant. Better no need to touch the plant. Simply just have a look and observe them. क्योंकि कुछ weeds जो हमारी surroundings में होती है बहुत ज्यादा poisonous होती हैं, तो आप कभी टच करते हो उसकी leaves को tear कर देते तो poison हमारे fingers पे आ जाता है. And if we don't wash our hands immediately after that, and through same hands you are taking your meals also, so that may cause toxicity in our body and it will be disadvantageous for our body, right? So that are called weed plants, right? So just let me see if there are any doubts from your side. Okay, so here, okay, so from the login ID, Rajan Mahavar, ma'am, we like to eat pumpkin and bottle guard. Okay, it's good. You eat all these things. Okay, I'm just scrolling down if there are any doubts from your side. Okay. We are just can't see any doubt. Okay. So all just you told me some more examples. It's very good that you know much more examples. Okay. So students, in today's lecture, I discussed with you about basically that is the category of plants: herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, clambers, and finally we discussed about weeds. What are weeds and how they are, why they are considered as undesirable plants, right? So now what you have to do, that you have to read this much portion from your NCERT today, and when you're reading it and at that time you are facing any kind of doubts, then please feel free to drop a line to my WhatsApp number, or you can also write in the comment box of the video, because I keep on scrolling it afterwards also to just check whether my children have sent some doubts to me or not. And second thing, children, repeatedly we are posting in our school groups that you have to fill your details, especially about your Gmail ID on Google form. And this we need to create a kind of mechanism, online mechanism for evaluation of your worksheets, right? So whatever worksheets are uploaded on a society website, please sincerely complete them, because soon you will be asked to submit those completed worksheets through online procedures to we people, and after doing their evaluation your performance will be assessed. तो जिन बच्चों ने अभी तक अपना जीमेल आईडी क्रिएट कर कर गूगल फॉर्म कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर साइड, इट्स हाई टाइम, प्लीज कंप्लीट ऑल काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेलिटीज इन टाइम, right? So I will be meeting with you people in next coming lecture, and we will see some more interesting facts about plants in next lecture. Till then, take care, stay safe, happy learning, bye.